hop, rot, mop, cop, pot, top, lot, bot, not, job. Now it's time to move to the next list. And everybody, if I talk about the next list of the words are there. Raise your voice. Raise your voice. Frog, god, octopus, log, moth. Once again, raise your voice, everybody. Frog, god, octopus, log, moth. Okay.
The vegetable had rotten. Why was there a cop at the door?
Okay, pass mic to the Priyanka. Speak that. Speak the first.
The vegetable have rotten.
All right.
And second, why was there a cop at the door?
And the final.
And finally, he came ask for tents at the top.
So this is all about understanding all the sentences we have understood. This is the right way to understand it. This is the right way to pronounce it. You all guys are requested. Try to speak and raise your voice. Stress all the sentence in outstanding way. And when you will really understand these all sentences, you will be able to make and you will be able to speak fluently and confidently. All right. Okay. We all guys are talking about the sixth vowel sound. And if I talk about the symbol exactly looks like A. But not. This particular symbol does not belong to the alphabetic system. This particular symbol belongs to the IPA chart. Everybody, please tell me what stands for IPA? International Phonetic Alphabets. Okay. Before some time, we understood the pronunciation. We understood the articulation. Now, it's time to understand all the lists of words. Everybody, just raise your voice. Hop, mop, pot, lot, not. Wait. Once again, in a very slow position. Hop, mop, pot, lot, not. Come this side, everybody. Rot, cop, top, bot, job. So we have understood two lists. The first list is here and the second list is here. Go from this side to that side, everybody. Hop, rot, mop, cop, pot, top, lot, bot, not, job. Only that side. Rot, cop, top, bot, job. Okay, the first person will speak. Okay, Amit, speak this. Speak this particular list of the words.
This side.
Yes, this side.
Rot, pop, top,
Bot, job. Now it's your turn. Saloni, this side.
Hop, mop,
Pot, lot, not. Okay, go from this side to that side.
hop, rot, mop, hop, pot, top, lot, bot, not, job.
Give me the mic. Okay, the next person will speak from this side, everybody. Okay, Suraj will speak. Speak that. Speak this side. Hop.
hop, mop, pot, lot, not.
Okay, the next person will speak from this side, Rustam. Take this mic and go from this side to that side.
Hop, rot, mop, cop, pot, chop, lot,
bot, not, job. Only that side. Rot, cop, top, bot, job. Okay, the next person will speak. Ashish. Mehta?
Ashish.
All right.
Which side?
That side.
Rot, cop, top, bot, job.
Speak slow.
Rot, cop, top, bot, job.
Okay, the next person will speak. Alok, you are requested speak from this side to that side in a very slow position. Okay, speak that.
Hop, rot, mop, cop, pot, top, lot, bot, not, job.
एकदम आराम से pronounce करिए. The first list of the words: hop, mop, pot, lot, not. Understood, everybody? Come to this side. Rot, cop, top, bot, job. बड़े ही आराम से सारे वर्ड्स को एकदम ध्यान से देखिए. And the sound is coming off. What is that? Off. So we have understood the first list and we have understood the second list. Now it's time to move to the next list. And everybody, if I talk about the next list of the words are there. Raise your voice. Raise your voice. Frog, god, octopus, log, moth. Once again, raise your voice, everybody. Frog, god, octopus, log, moth. Okay, last time in a very slow position. Frog, god, octopus, log, moth. Okay, the next list of the words are here. Come this side, everybody. Robin, sock, dolphin, olive, orange. Okay, in a very slow position. Robin, shock, dolphin, olive, orange. Okay, everybody will not speak only. Amar sir will speak. Okay, the first list of words, I will go from this side to that side. Frog, robin, goat, sock, octopus, dolphin, log, olive, moth, orange. Understood everybody? Yes. So this is all about understanding the first list and the second list. अब हम लोग move करेंगे next topic के next section के ऊपर, and everybody knows about that. The next section is what? List of sentences. Okay, the first sentence is in front of you all guys. Just raise your voice. The vegetable have rotten. Once again, the vegetable have rotten. And everybody listen to me carefully. It is not vegetable. It is vegetable. Once again, the vegetable have rotten. The next, why was there a cock at the door? Once again, why was there a cock at the door? And finally, he came asking for tenants at the top. Nazia, speak the first sentence and the second sentence.
The vegetable had rotten.
All right.
Why was there a cock at the door?
Once again, give me the mic. Give me the mic, everybody. Okay, take this mic and speak that. Speak the first and second.
The vegetable had rotten. Why was there a cock at the door?
Okay, pass mic to the Priyanka. Speak that. Speak the first.
The vegetable had rotten.
All right.
And second, why was there a cock at the door?
And the final.
And finally, he came ask for tenants at the top.
No. He came asking for tenants at the top. Pass the mic. Okay. Mushkan, speak only the first. Speak the first sentence.
The vegetable have rotten.
Okay, the next.
Why was there a cock
At the door. All right. Just give me the mic and the once again everybody raise your voice. The vegetable have rotten. Why was there a cock at the door? He came asking for tenants at the top. So this is all about understanding all the sentences we have understood. This is the right way to understand it. This is the right way to pronounce it. You all guys are requested. Try to speak and raise your voice. Stress all the sentence in outstanding way. And when you will really understand these all sentences, you will be able to make and you will be able to speak fluently and confidently. All right. The next list of the sentence is there, everybody. The next is there. Okay. My job is to make WhatsApp bots. Once again, my job is to make WhatsApp bots. The next is that, everybody. There is a frog in my bathroom. Once again, there is a frog in my bathroom. The next sentence is that I got sick last weekend. Once again, I got sick last weekend. All right. The next list of sentence. Have you tried fried octopus? Well, Alok, have you tried fried octopus? Have you tried fried octopus? Yes or no? Is that right or wrong?
That's wrong.
Well, are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
Non-vegetarian.
Non-vegetarian. What do you like? Mutton or chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken you like?
Yes.
How many pieces do you eat in one time?
I eat
Huh?
only 3 to 4 pieces.
3 to 4 only? It is only. It is not only. Priyanka, are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
Sir, I am vegetarian.
Vegetarian. What do you like? Paneer or
Yes.
what?
Sir, paneer.
Paneer. Whenever you are at your home, so you have to cook the food, right? So what will you make that? What will you make in vegetarian?
Sir, dal chawal in daily way.
Okay, dal chawal. It is a desi khana, dal and chawal. All right, everybody, raise your voice. Have you tried fried octopus? What time did you log out? Shut the door before the moths enter. What is that? Enter. The next list of the sentence is there. I lost my sock. The next, the kids love watching dolphins. Once again, raise your voice. The kids love watching dolphins. The next, I like a bit of olive oil in my salad. And don't speak salad. In Bhojpuri we always speak salad bate, right? We speak. So salad we speak in Bhojpuri accent. But if we talk in English, if we talk in English accent, we use what? Salad. Once again, salad. 3 times. Salad, salad, salad. The next, are you painting the house orange? The next, the kids love watching dolphins. Once again, the kids love watching dolphins. All right. Now, the next section is what? Tongue twister. Whenever tongue twister comes, we get excited. We feel, because the sentence is not easy. The tongue twister is not easy. We have to just, twist our, tongue, and we have to speak. Okay. We all guys are going to learn the tongue twister. As you can see on the screen, the tongue twister is not easy. Just read yourself, everybody. Read yourself.